Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got myself these Bravover men's boots, I guess winter boots. So we're gonna try these things on here and see how they fit. I just wanted to get some nice light ones that I could take with me when I go to the ski areas and stuff. I can just kind of stick on my feet barefoot and be comfortable while I'm just walking around. So let's see what we got here. These are full of paper. So there we go. So there's paper. I'm gonna guess there's paper in this one too. If you need paper, there's paper in here. Okay. So this is it here. It's a size. It says 42, so I'm gonna guess that's like a 9 of a men's size. And it's kind of, you can see it's got the nice rubber bottom here, and then it's got a nylon here, and then it's got the cinch thing here, so you don't have to worry about tying a shoe or anything fancy like that. But it should be nice for the winter here. Let's aim you down here, and we can try this on. So here I am putting it on my size, 8.5 foot that I have. So usually I got like a 41 or something, but 42 is good for nice and comfortable. And let's see how I do here. So, well, didn't do the best job of slipping this on, did I? I just ran, so I'm not comfortable. Okay, let me take this off and try again. Okay, there. Okay, I'm gonna go down here. There, super. It actually is easy to put on, but I just ran. Okay, so there we go. So that's what it's like. Totally comfortable. The inside of this is super soft. It's like, I don't know, can you see the inside of it? It is like furry, I'm sure it's a polyester fur, but totally comfortable. So I can go like that, cinch it up. Now I'm ready to go out. So super cool. Nice and fashionable, I'm sure, for winter. It is fine. But really cool. I like these. I probably would want to cut these down a little bit just because there's a lot of extra string. But really cool. And they're super comfortable. My toes are already warm. So I like this. Very cool. Thumbs up for sure.